AI, but OpenAI's you're announcing in terms of this new agentic agent.
In 2026, the world has moved past simple chatbots that just answer questions. We are now in the era of agentic AI, autonomous systems that can plan, reason, and execute complex, multi-step tasks with almost no human help. This video explores how these AI workers are no longer a future concept. They are already embedded into our businesses, hospitals, and even our personal pockets. By the end of this video, you will understand the 3 massive ways your daily life is about to change and why 2026 is being called the operating logic of the future. Stick around to see why 40% of global jobs will look completely different by December. For the last few years, people used AI like a fancy Google search. You asked a question and it gave you a response. This is called generative AI, and it is reactive. It waits for you to do something. But in 2026, the shift is toward agentic AI. Think of generative AI as a digital intern who writes your emails, while agentic AI is a manager who decides who needs an email, writes it, sends it, and then follows up 3 days later if they don't reply. These agents are built on 4 main pillars: perception, reasoning, action, and memory. With perception, they understand what is happening in the world around them. Through reasoning, they use large language models as a brain to think through steps. With action, they use tools and APIs to actually click buttons and move data. And with memory, they remember what happened yesterday to make better decisions today. Instead of a single AI trying to do everything, 2026 is a year of multi-agent systems. This is like a digital team where one agent handles sales, another checks inventory, and a third validates the finance margins. They talk to each other to get the job done, often while the human user is busy doing something else entirely. The most magical changes in 2026 are happening in places where humans used to get bogged down by paperwork. In healthcare, AI has moved from isolated pilots to enterprise-scale deployment. AI agents now act as digital care companions. They don't just remind you to take your medicine. They track your symptoms through wearable devices, analyze the data in real time, and automatically alert your doctor only if a high risk threshold is crossed. This shifts healthcare from being reactive to proactive. For doctors, this means ambient listening has become the standard. AI agents listen to the conversation with the patient and handle all the clinical documentation, giving clinicians their profession back by letting them focus on the person instead of a computer screen. At home, personal agents are starting to act as buyers. While the infrastructure is still maturing, limited versions in closed ecosystems allow agents to handle the boring groundwork of life. They manage your household's energy transition by optimizing smart appliances or rescheduling your appointments automatically when your car's sensors detect a flat tire. There is a lot of talk about AI taking jobs, but the 2026 reality is more about redefining them. Research shows that while 37% of companies expect to replace some roles with AI by the end of 2026, AI is also expected to create 170 million new roles globally by 2030. The jobs that are shrinking are routine ones, entry-level data processing, and basic clerical work. However, higher value roles are exploding. We are seeing the rise of AI workflow designers, agent operations specialists, and AI ethics and governance officers. AI workflow designers are people who build the paths agents follow, and agent operations specialists are people who manage the digital workforce. And lastly, AI ethics and governance officers are people who make sure the agents don't behave like double agents. The biggest risk in 2026 isn't the AI itself, but the skills gap. Companies are at risk of losing $5.5 trillion because their workers don't know how to collaborate with these new digital colleagues. Professionals who combine human skills, like strategy and empathy, with AI fluency are seeing their salaries grow significantly. As AI gains more autonomy, the danger of things going wrong increases. In 2026, trust is the currency of innovation. If an agent has the power to spend your money or move your medical data, it needs the same security protections as a human employee. There is a growing concern about black box agents, systems that make decisions but cannot explain why they made them. Security experts are now using Maestro, a new threat modeling framework specifically for agentic AI. They are also dealing with the vibe coding hangover. This happens when people use AI to generate code using natural language but don't check for security flaws, creating major headaches for developers. To prevent agentic chaos, the most successful companies in 2026 are the ones that did the boring groundwork of setting up clear rules and governance in 2025. Agentic AI isn't just another tech trend, it is a fundamental shift in how we interact with computers. We are moving from a world where we do the work with tools to a world where we direct the work done by agents. Whether it's managing a global marketing campaign in days or catching a health issue before it becomes a crisis, the agents of 2026 are here to stay. The only question left is, are you ready to be the director?